Hey guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Adsense error for WordPress. So if in your Adsense account you see create an ads.txt file for your site, you need to download the txt file to proceed. So you open your website and then you go to plugins, add new plugins. So now you need to search for ads.txt manager. Here it is, so install now. And then activate. After having activated it, you will, when you go to settings, you will see the ads.txt here. So you click on it. So here you may copy and paste the information that you have in your ads.txt file. So you open your file, you copy your information, and then you paste it here, and then save changes. And guys, kindly note that it may take a few days for the changes to update. And you need to do it quickly because it may have a severe impact on your revenue in your Google AdSense. And if it has helped you, please give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.